Hey everyone, and welcome! In this video, we're focusing on a single tool in Splitter, Rotate. I'll show you what it does, how to use it, and the pitfalls to avoid. Let's get started! The Rotate command lets you rotate and orient your part before moving on to further operations. It's a simple step, but an important one to properly position your model. Let's see how to rotate the part. Launch the Rotate command. Colored arcs appear around the model. To rotate it, simply click on the arc matching the axis you want. The red arc for rotation around the x-axis, the orange arc for rotation around the y-axis, and the green arc for rotation around the z-axis. Now let's talk about precision. By default, rotation is applied in 5-degree steps. That's handy for quick adjustments, but if you need finer control, hold the Control key. You then switch to 1-degree steps, perfect for precise adjustments. And if you want completely free, continuous rotation, hold the Shift key. Once you're happy with the orientation, all that's left is to confirm it. Click OK to validate. The rotated part is then saved in the work zone with the suffix _O added to its name, O for oriented. That way, you can instantly spot the parts you've already oriented. And there you go, your model is correctly positioned. We can now move on to the next step. If this video helped you, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. See you very soon in the next one.